How to escape from quicksand. Number 1, stay calm. Quicksand is dense, and you are more buoyant in quicksand than you are in water. Floating is relatively easy. Number 2, do not struggle. Remain vertical until you sink to your knees. Number 3, as gentle as possible, float slowly onto your back. Keep your thighs and upper body horizontal and parallel to the ground. Number 4, once you are stable, pull your lower legs out of the quicksand first. This will be difficult. Quicksand is about twice as dense as water. Move slowly and deliberately. Number 5, roll to safety. Once your legs are free, roll on top of the quicksand towards solid ground. If a branch or root is within reach, grab it and use that to pull you out. Again, moving slowly. Walking with a pole. When walking in quicksand country, carry a stout pole, roughly the diameter of your wrist and as long as your height. It will help you get out should you need to. Number 1, lay the pole on the surface of the quicksand. Do this as soon as you begin to sink. Number 2, gently flop onto your back on top of the pole. After a minute or two, equilibrium in the quicksand will be achieved and you will no longer sink. Number 3, move the pole to rest under your hips and at a right angle to your spine. The pole will keep your hips from sinking. Number 4, free your legs. Slowly pull out first one leg and then the other. Number 5, roll to safety. Take the shortest route to firmer ground, moving slowly. How to avoid sinking. Quicksand is just an ordinary sand mixed with an upwelling water, which makes it behave like a liquid. However, in order to pull a limb out of quicksand, you have to work against the vacuum left behind. Move slowly to lower the viscosity of the sand when increasing with shearing. Spread your arms and legs far apart and float on your back. Humans are less dense in fresh water and salt water is slightly more dense. Floating is easier in salt water than in fresh water and much easier in quicksand. The natural float level is around your ribs in quicksand, while it's around your neck in fresh water.